Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here again for another Hawaiian word of the month, or na Huaʻōlelo, o ka Malama. This is the end of the year, December, if we're in the Western concept of ending the year. Also, in Hawaiian, we're just beginning the new year, which is called Makali'i. The words I've chosen for this month are words which offer vision. We reflect of the past and we look forward to the new year. So the word I've chosen is Manaolana, meaning hope, confidence, to hope for, literally a floating thought. A o ho'ahu nui I ka ho'a'o ana. A o ka ho'a'o ana I ka Manaolana. A o ua Manaolana la a ole ia I ho'ohilahila, from Romans 5, verses 4 to 5, which means perseverance proveth character, character proveth hope, and hope never disappoints. This is Aaron Mahi again. Thank you for joining us for our Huaʻōlelo, of the word of the month, or na Huaʻōlelo ka Malama, and hope to see you our next week. Aloha.